At Florida Mid-South Realty, we bring family values, professional service, and local expertise to every real estate experience. With small town feel and a personal touch, we're here to help you find the right home or sell with ease. And don't miss the Florida Rockstars, our live podcast every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Florida Rockstars, rocking real estate news and all things local. Florida Mid-South Realty, your trusted hometown team.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
Clouds have been stubborn across the Tennessee Valley on this Tuesday, giving us overcast skies that actually busted our daytime high temperatures. We were expecting mid-30s, but the most we did this afternoon was upper 20s and the low 30s. Now, the clouds will hang around tonight. They'll act as an insulating blanket, so we've had to up the low temperatures by a few degrees. Instead of teens tonight, we're talking about low to mid-20s across the area with mostly cloudy skies. We'll get back to partly sunny skies tomorrow, but it's going to take a while to do that. The clouds may be slow to clear out again. We're expecting sunny conditions by the afternoon with partly cloudy skies, daytime highs into the mid-30s. However, if these clouds continue to hang tough a little longer than expected, we might have to take 2 or 3 degrees off of these forecasted highs for tomorrow. So just be aware of that. And then into the teens tomorrow night, we do think mid to upper teens here. Notice on through the rest of the work week, only staying in the mid-30s for daytime highs at best, and then overnight lows in the teens and 20s. We're going to be chilling down the infrastructure the next few days ahead of this winter storm that we have coming on Friday. We're going to be cooling down the pavement temperatures on the roadway surfaces and the bridge surfaces and the tree limbs and the power lines. That's going to make it easier for snow, sleet, and ice to accumulate when the storm system moves in on Friday. I do think we're back to mostly clear skies late tomorrow into tomorrow night. Clouds increasing again ahead of our winter storm on Thursday. You see it back off to the west by Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. Snow starts to move into our local area here in southern middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama after midnight Thursday night. During the early morning hours of Friday, continues through a large part of Friday as a snow, sleet, freezing rain mix. Most of the area starting to trend toward maybe staying mostly or all snow. However, that tapers off Friday night. Lingering flurries the morning hours of Saturday and partial clearing skies as we head Sunday into early next week. So here's our latest thinking on the winter storm for Friday. It's still a little too early to talk about specific accumulation totals, but those don't really matter as much as the impact anyway. But we will start talking about specific projected totals around the midday shows on tomorrow with Kelly, and then we'll start fine-tuning that as we head forward. But it's not our job to be first here at Tennessee Valley Weather. It's our job to be accurate with enough lead time for you to be prepared. And so that's why we wait until about 36 hours out from start time before we ever talk about total numbers here with snow accumulation. It's just as a general policy. But in the dark blue shaded areas here, all of southern middle Tennessee, in the northwest Alabama, it's starting to look more and more like it's going to stay snow or snow and a little bit of sleet mixed in for the entire duration of the winter storm. And this is going to be heavy snow. This is not just light accumulation. Several inches of accumulation are likely. And even down south of the Tennessee River in the cyan color here, where we're still possibly going to see that wintry mix in the afternoon, even down here, several inches of snow accumulation are likely. So this will be a high impact winter storm across the entire area. Widespread hazardous travel is likely beginning as early as sunrise or just before Friday morning, continuing through Friday night, and likely even lingering travel concerns into the weekend, depending on just how much snow we see across the area. 20s tonight, but only the low to mid 20s across the area as we continue to have mostly cloudy skies. Partial sunshine for you Wednesday, clouds increasing Thursday. Snow starts after midnight Thursday night during the early morning hours of Friday. A full-blown winter storm Friday and the Friday night, lingering flurries into Saturday morning, and then we clear the skies out partially Sunday into early next week. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.